Title: The Lamp in the Hut. English version. In a quaint little village nestled between emerald green hills and gentle, flowing rivers, lived an old man named Raghu. His house was a small clay hut standing quietly at the edge of the village, near a narrow path that connected the village to the outside world. Time had taken many things from Raghu, his family, his youth, and even his strength, but it hadn't taken his kindness. Every evening, as the sun dipped behind the hills and the village settled into silence, Raghu would light a small clay lamp. With steady hands and a tender heart, he would place it outside his door, where its golden glow would shine like a tiny star in the darkness. One evening, a young boy named Arjun, who often wandered about with curiosity in his eyes, stopped in front of Raghu's hut. He had been watching this old man for days and couldn't hold back his question anymore. "Dadaji, why do you waste oil to light this lamp every night when you live all alone? No one even comes to visit you." Raghu looked at him with a soft smile, his eyes reflecting the same warmth as the flame. "Beta, this lamp is not for me. It's for the travelers who pass through this path at night. When they see the light, they know they're not alone. It gives them hope and safety." Arjun didn't fully understand then, but the calmness in Raghu's voice stayed with him. Years went by. Seasons changed. Arjun grew up and moved to the city for studies and work. Life moved fast there, full of noise, lights, and endless people. But deep inside his heart, the image of that quiet lamp outside Raghu's hut always flickered. Back in the village, Raghu grew older and weaker. One cold winter night, without much noise or pain, he passed away in his sleep. When the villagers discovered his passing, they gave him a simple but respectful farewell. His hut was left untouched, slowly covered with dust and memories. The lamp, once a symbol of his silent service, remained unlit. The path near the hut turned darker and quieter. Many years later, Arjun returned to his village for a short visit. The city had changed him. He wore formal clothes, carried a phone, and had seen the world, but when he walked past Raghu's hut, he stopped. Everything looked the same, except darker. The clay hut stood still, but something was missing. Then it struck him. The lamp. He stood silently for a few minutes. That small act of lighting a lamp had once seemed ordinary, but now it echoed with meaning. That night, Arjun went to the village market, bought a clay lamp, some oil, and a cotton wick. He returned to the hut, cleaned the little space outside, and gently lit the lamp once again. Its flame danced in the night air, just as it had in Raghu's time. From that day forward, the villagers noticed the light. Some remembered Raghu. Others, inspired by Arjun's gesture, began lighting lamps outside their own homes. Slowly, it became a tradition, each home lighting a lamp not just for themselves, but for others. And so, the village became known far and wide as the Village of the Lamp. Moral: kindness doesn't need an audience. A small, good deed can light the way for many.